I don't know if I know how to apply makeup anymore. So today what we're going to do is we're going to do a very, very simple look. So I'm just going to be doing what I would usually do on a day that I am going out and don't want to look like a slob. So I already washed my face, put some moisturizer, skincare, all that is already good. So we're gonna go with the MAC Face and Body Foundation, and we're gonna mix it with the strobe cream. We're gonna be doing it with our hands. You're gonna be taking, actually, yeah, we're not gonna prime our face. We're going to be taking a little bit of dish and a little bit of the strobe cream. So this is kind of the concoction it's gonna look like. We're gonna mix it all together and then we're going to apply it on our face. I've been really into not applying so much foundation because you gotta show your beautiful skin. Mixing it with the MAC strobe cream gives it a nice glow, and just go slightly over the eyelids. So if you want to clean up your hands, what I like to do is I grab a makeup wipe, and then it's very simple. I just go like this and I get all the foundation and off my hands. So once your hands are partially clean, I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna be brushing them out. And I actually tinted my eyebrows by myself because, you know, quarantine does things to you. And so I don't need to fill them in that extensive. Is that the word? I'm gonna bring this mirror very close to me so I can see properly. I'm doing a very light hand because I just want to be looking natural. Did that make a difference? Who knows? So, my camera decided to shut off while I was in the process of filming my concealer. I'm just going to walk you through what I did. So, I just applied 2 concealer colors, NW15 in the Pro Longwear Concealer, as well as the NC20 in the same concealer. I used the NC20 to conceal my spots. So right here, up here, here, just any spot that you don't want to be shown. And then I took... well, I haven't done that yet, actually. Okay, we're gonna do that. So I put a little bit of NC20 under my eyes because NW15 is a tad too light. So we're gonna apply that on top. I'm so mad the stupid camera shut off because I had some good chats. And apparently I was chatting to nothing. It was a great time. Great time. I'm gonna be applying a little tiny, tiny, tiny bit to my eyelid. Great. Gonna be taking a brush, obviously, and just going under the eyes and blending that out. A long time ago, I used to apply so much foundation on my face, but now I am a new woman. I apply very little and I spot conceal. Do you know why? Because I believe that people should feel comfortable in their skin, and I love being able to show a little bit of yourself. Show those imperfections. Who cares? Who the freak cares? So now that we got our concealer, foundation, all the liquid products on, now we want to set our face. So what we're doing today is I am taking the Light Plus Mineralized Skin Finish in Natural from MAC. So I'm going to be applying that on a brush, and then I'm just going to be putting that on very lightly. So, we got our base all done. Now we're going to move on to the eyes. And this is going to be very simple for all you folks. What I do on a typical going out, don't want to look like poop, I grab a bronzer. I'm using the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I take a big ass brush, I swirl it in the bronzer. I'm running low on this bronzer, and I just sweep it over the eye. So I'm just gonna be placing that very messily on the eye. Now I'm gonna be taking a smaller brush and dipping that in, and then just going a little bit under the eyes and connecting that. And I'm gonna be putting it a little bit more on my lid. Now I'm gonna be taking that same bronzer. Yes, the same bronzer, everyone. Doing the same thing. And bronzing up the face. Now, depending on how bronzed you like to look, you can just keep building. That's the word. Yep. Keep going. Then you're going to be taking the bronzer and going on the temples of your forehead, connecting that to where you put your bronzer. As you can see, I really like to be bronzed. Now I'm going to be taking it a little bit on my chin, my neck, and on my nose. Let's put a little more. So now that you're bronzed to your desire, we're going to be taking a blush. And I'm going to be using the Hourglass Luminous Flush Blush. So I'm just going to be placing that on top. And what I'm going to do next is take that blush and put it on your lid. So it kind of all mashes together. And if you want to be more put together and not look crazy, I guess, you could take a clean brush and just kind of buff out those edges if it's a little sharp. But you know, if you don't have time for it, don't bother. Once your blush and your bronzer is on, we're going to highlight. So I'm going to be using my favorite highlighting palette, the Hyper Real Glow by MAC. I like to start here and then kind of go up. And I also like to put a little bit on my nose and here. And also here, I kind of like to rub it all over my lid to give my lid kind of a shimmer. Final step is we are going to set our face. I like to apply setting spray prior to doing my mascara just so it doesn't streak and kind of transfer on my face, if that makes sense. So I'm using the Prep and Prime by MAC, and this really helps to kind of put everything together. And yeah, let's just do it. Oh, that's not enough. Oh, look at that glow. Damn. Next up is the second last step, the mascara. Today I'm going to be using the voluminous, okay, the Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. I just bought this yesterday. I realized I needed mascara in order to film a makeup tutorial. So I'm just gonna apply this on my lashes. Oh damn. You don't want a very thick layer because we're just doing some natural makeup.
You know those days you want to go to the mall but also don't want to spend an hour doing your makeup? This tutorial is for you.
Why is there a little lash missing in the middle? God damn it. Okay, mascara is on. Now we're gonna do lips. So my camera decided to shut off again. Where were we? So we're gonna do lips, which I already applied my lip liner. What I put on is the Bite Beauty lip pencil, and how I applied it was I smile like this, and I kind of applied like this. So I just went around, and I kind of mash it together. I'm going to be taking Sephora Melting Lipstick in the color Oh Wine Caramel, and I'm going to be applying this on all over the lips. And this is really creamy.
Creamy and good.
I forgot what I look like with makeup, okay? So that is the finished look. As you can see, very simple. I literally just took bronzer and wiped it all over my eyelid. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you give it a thumbs up and subscribe now, or else I will hunt you down and hunt you down. Anyways, thank you guys so much again, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!